If you want to charge your Nothing Phone 3A, the only way to do so is by using the USB cable. Unfortunately, wireless power adapters or wireless chargers won't work in this case because we do not have wireless charging option available on this phone. Nothing Phone 3A does not support wireless charging. So this is why we need to use the USB cable. Now, how you can actually charge with the USB cable. Of course, you can, for example, connect your phone to a computer. If you don't have power adapter or a charger, then a computer should work as well, as long as you have the appropriate cable, or if you have the USB-C port on your computer, because the cable that we have in the box is USB-C on both ends, so you need to have USB-C port on a computer as well. If you don't have USB-C port, then you need to get a different USB cable that has USB-C on one end and USB-A on the other. So like I said, you can use a computer in order to charge before you get the charger or power adapter. You can also use your old charger or power adapter as long as you have the correct port on the power adapter. And if you manage to finally purchase a charger or power adapter, then of course it works as well. So we need to simply plug the USB cable to the port and we can charge our phone like this. And since there is no wireless option, since wireless charging is not supported, this is the only way to charge this phone. And that is all. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.